actually quite shocked at myself because I didn't realise I had this many candles, but I got another candle.
I'll follow you.
Hi guys, it's G. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a Primark haul, but before we get started, this part of the video is in collaboration with Hello Kitty, who have kindly sent me their brand new beauty range that is launching in all Primark stores across the UK on March the 8th. So the first product I have here is the Hello Kitty Fragrance Shimmer Body Mist. How gorgeous is this? So I think it's just a fragrance spray, but it's got bits of shimmering, so you can spray it on your body for a party, glowing in the summer. How sweet. Then we also have these lashes. How gorgeous. So these are the Hello Kitty false eyelashes, and they're really wispy, which I think is very appropriate considering it's Hello Kitty fluffy whiskers. Love that. These are so cute, and I actually really can't wait to try these. These look so fluttery, and this is the style I love. If you love a good fluttery lash, definitely pick these up. We also have the Hello Kitty lip balm, which is in the scent Strawberry. Again, this is absolutely adorable. This in your handbag, like this is going to be straight in my handbag, not going to lie, out and about, you're going to have a really cute looking lip balm, like absolutely adorable. Then we have this little mini fragrance. This is the Eau de Parfum perfume, and this is the sweetest thing ever. Would be fab for your handbag if you want to spray it to start the day. You've got a little cute perfume with you all the time, and it says it's got lily of the valley and amber base notes, so it's a very floral scent fragrance. So pretty much if you are a girly girl and you love very floral fragrance, this is going to be fab for your handbag. We also have this sponge. Now it's not just any sponge, this is the Hello Kitty sponge. She's such an icon, just look at her, she's absolutely gorgeous, and because it's so big as well, it would look so cute in your bathroom, little decorative piece. Also, this is just a great body sponge, but she's also looking cute while cleaning your body. We also have a paddle brush, and we also have a matching comb. Again, a really cute set. I love these so much. So we have a pack of bath fizzes. You get 6 grey and pink Hello Kitty faced bath fizzes. I am going to be using these so much because I think these are gorgeous in your bath. Just pop one in. These are strawberry fragrance, and also I need to mention that all of the beauty range from Hello Kitty is cruelty free, and they are strictly against any animal testing, which is so fab. Next we have this adorable duo nail polish. Now I love this colour, like this set is stunning. We've got a pinky purple nude, which is so pretty, and then we also have a burgundy in the set too, which you guys know I love my burgundy nail polishes, and these are definitely going to be very well loved in the department of my toenails, because my toenails are going to be looking fine. And finally, in this collection we have the Hello Kitty nail files. How gorgeous are these? So you get 4 in a pack, so you're never going to lose one. You can have one in every single handbag if you really want to, and they have all different patterns on. Very cute. A huge thanks to Hello Kitty for collaborating with me. It's been so fun to show you guys the whole range, and definitely keep your eyes peeled out in your Primark to check out these goodies. I actually kind of went a bit crazy in the homeware section. So you know me, I love Primark homeware. If I'm honest, I feel like Primark kill it with the homeware. They have affordable but like in-trend products, and also as well, their products that they sell, like the homeware, is almost a duplicate of really expensive ones. So I'm even thinking of going back to get some of their wall like shelves, because I really like them and I was thinking of getting one. So no doubt I'm going to be going back in there to get more stuff. But as you can see, this is from Primark. Like a lot of the things in my room are from Primark. Amazing. So I'm going to start off with a few new bits that are going to be added to my room. The UK at the minute has been so cold. All of a sudden, we have just had this heat wave and I don't know where it's from. It's really hot today and it feels really weird. But back to the Primark haul, I picked up this. So when I saw this, I literally screamed because I nearly bought one of these from a much more expensive brand, and you know what? I'm so glad I didn't, because I just found it in Primark for half the price. So yay me. So this is, if I don't drop it, this is basically a huge black candle, but it's on a gold stand, and this is just like a centerpiece. Like, hello, this is so gorgeous. It's just a black. This is called cardamom and saffron candles, but actually it's a scented candle, but the fact that it's on a gold stand, I love it. I'm definitely thinking of putting this maybe on here or maybe somewhere else, but it's so beautiful and it really does look like a huge decorative piece. This was only £6, and again, I just love this. Really cute. It's so weird as well because, as obviously you know, if you haven't already watched, I have done a room tour, and the fact that I went into Primark and all of these things are in, like, it's mad. I didn't even think that black was still in, and all of a sudden Primark have now brought out a massive black and gold range, so living for that. You could keep the stand and put it on any other candle as well, so it's quite versatile. This is really random, but I also picked up these A6 notebooks. How gorgeous are these? So these are just little, very small notebooks. These are just very small notebooks that are lined, and I thought these are fab for my handbag when I'm out on the train, when I'm going somewhere and I have ideas for YouTube or I need to write something down. These are absolutely gorgeous, and there is a black one with gold leaves on it, perfect for my vibe. Then there's a black and white striped one and a black and white polka dot. So the fact that it's sitting there for only £1.50, bargain. And I might even give one to my mum as well, because we can all match, because if she is going to be managing with me, she's got to match with my vibe, which is black and gold. She can't be going into meetings with a pink notebook, so I even bought this for my mum, so good daughter. I also got some baskets. Now, I love the fact that Primark do storage, and I already have some grey ones of these when I had my room copper. Now, Primark have brought out a black and gold version.
Black and gold, black and gold, black and gold.
So these are £2.50 each. I have got two, by the way. They're just stacked up on top of each other. But I did get two because I was thinking of placing these on my little side storage IKEA thing. I don't even know what you call it. But right next to my vanity, I have a white storage area. And this is almost like I've got a really itchy nose. This is not good. So right next to my vanity, I have a white storage cabinet, I guess I would call it. And I need little baskets to put more storage in. So I did get these to put skincare in, and basically when they're inside, you'll just see the black basket, which I love. So these are just going to go inside of that. And because my cabinet is kind of open, it's not closed, it's got no doors on it, it's going to look so cute because all you're going to see is black baskets. So cute, so fab. It really ties in the black again, especially in my bedroom. So I can't wait to put my skincare little bits in here, jewellery bits. I also even bought this gorgeous candle. This was £1.50. I don't know what made me pick this up, but I think it was the size that I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. So I bought this. I have no idea why, because everything I'm buying at the minute is black. But I did see this, I was thinking, you know what, that's kind of cute. And because it's a little bit more jazzy and a bit brighter, I thought that would look quite cute on here, to really stand out. I don't know, but it's cute and it's tiny, and anything that's small, I'm going to get it. And it was only £1.50, so basically you can take the actual tea light out of it and just switch it. So you basically have a little tea light little holder, and you could switch it. So this is going to last me forever, which is perfect. Oh my god, I forgot this was wrapped up. The next thing that I got from Primark was another candle. I know, but I'm obsessed with candles at the minute, honestly. I love them, and because I've got a few quite expensive candles, I don't want them to burn out really quickly, so I ended up stocking up in Primark because they're really cheap and they smell good, and if I burn them out quickly, it's not a lot to keep me buying them. So I did end up getting a massive candle, and this is absolutely stunning. This is the lavender and fig scented candle. It's basically a black like glass, and then it also has a wooden top on it. This looks so bougie, I'm sorry, but hello, Primark has really upped their game in the candle department. Like, I used to think that their candles looked quite cheap. They honestly, like, now they are looking so bougie, and this was £5, but it's a massive, I'm sure it's like just, this possibly could be a 2-wick candle, but it does have 1 wick in it. But look how big this is, it's massive. Nearly as big as my head, and I love that. So this honestly smells amazing. I even bought my mum the cotton one, clean cotton I think it was. She loves it, and this just looks so cute. Let me smell it. I really like the touch of it, like the fact it's got a wooden top, I love that. Oh my god, it smells amazing. This is so much more fresh, like a lot of my candles are very dark and deep and musky, but this candle is really nice. Like, it's a switch. It's a little switch up, but I love it. Well, so the next thing that I picked up was this little flower vase. Now, I honestly not sure if I'm going to keep this. I do really like it, and I may possibly put this in my bathroom. I did pick this up because I had the intentions of adding a little bit more white into my room, but now looking at it, I've added too much black to really add more white, so this could possibly go in my bathroom. It would look cute there, but again, I don't really have white in my room, but I thought I would show it you anyway because I know that a lot of people's room have white in it, and this is a really pretty piece. So this is just a little white flower, a little jar, and this was only £3.50, so I think this is a really good bargain. How gorgeous. It looks like it's really expensive, really pretty. So because my bathroom is white marble, this would look quite cute in it, so I may possibly put it in there, but possibly not in my bedroom. This just doesn't go with my bedroom, but cute anyway. Like, this is cute, this is cute. My name is G, and I have an addiction to candles. Like, I bloody love candles, so your girl got another candle. I'm sorry, I just love candles. They're so good, and I have an addiction to burning them, and I have a fear of it running out, and like, I don't know. I don't like burning candles that are really like, my really nice ones, I don't like to see them die. So Primark have definitely changed their candles because these are so pretty. So this is in a metal tub, and it's got this feels like a really like organic candle. I don't know what it is. The vibe of it is gorgeous. So this is the pearl grey, and it's the pomegranate and fig one. The burn time is 25 hours, and it's basically just a grey candle. But again, I think the vibe of it, love it. And the fact it's pomegranate, it smells like a Jo Malone candle. Whoa, if you want to get a Jo Malone candle, but it's too bougie, definitely check out the pearl grey one from Primark. Literally smells like pomegranate noir, I'm pretty sure. This is gorgeous. Again, amazing. This was only £3.50. Bargain again. G winning the bargains with the candles. G is a candle hoarder. Yeah, that's me. Probably because I've been so cold, I've all of a sudden just gone so hot and now I'm really tired. Wow, my body is all over the place. I'm going to start off with this. So, this is gorgeous. So, I have seen loads of these types of throws everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Like, I know a lot of people have these on their floor, like as a little rug, but because I already spent a bit of money, quite a bit of money on an actual rug, I did pick up this. Oh my god, so this was £10. Now, if you see my room tour, you would know that I have light grey bedding set from Primark. It's just like the soft cotton one, but because I have light grey bedding and then dark cushions, I thought this would look so gorgeous on the end of my bed. This is honestly so soft. Again, this is not sheepskin, thank God. This is literally faux fur. It's so soft. My dog is going to die when she knows I got this, because if I even have this on the floor, she's going to just melt, because she is going to want to lie on this. So this is like a slight thing for my dog. I know that she'll lie on it. Not going to lie, this is what I bought. How bad is this? This is my YouTube in me. So you know I'm a YouTuber when I come out with, I bought it for a picture. So basically, I literally bought this for flat lace. So I thought this would be a really good idea to put this on the floor and to take pictures on it. So this basically is for my bed and flat lace. So when I do like my PR unboxing, I thought this would look really nice with my products on top. So if you are doing Instagram or YouTube, this is a really good rug to pick up. It's only £10 and this could help you like do some really nice pictures, like of fashion. I don't know. This is a really good flat lay piece as well. So it's for flat lays and it's also for the end of my bed. This makes my heart very happy. I'm gonna have it. Look. Look how cute it looks. See, even like this, even like that, just on the end. Beautiful. Because I don't normally have a cushion on this chair, but I thought instead of a cushion, I could even have this at the side. So there's many options for this beautiful creature. I love it. The next thing I picked up were fairy lights. Now, I never knew that Primark actually just sold plain fairy lights for, you know, like round your mirror, round your bed, for your plant. Like, hi, hello, this is my plant. £1.50 for some lights on this plant is amazing. I'm actually quite shocked at myself because I didn't realise I had this many candles, but I got another candle. So this is a gold candle. This is beautiful. This most likely going to have a home somewhere. I don't care where this is going to go. I'm thinking of maybe putting this on my windowsill because I've not really got gold on there. So maybe on the windowsill, maybe near my bed. I don't know. It's beautiful. It smells amazing. But that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this. Not going to lie, I love hauls, especially Primark hauls. I live right near Primark and I even know all of the staff members, even the security. So the fact that I know the security guy clearly states something. But I have so much fun and Primark I just love their range. Like their homeware range is amazing. So I'm going to head off. I'm sweating, not going to lie, I'm really hot. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram for little pictures, for some more flat lays. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah. I am hot.